Okay, good morning, children. Other day we learnt something about the earth. What is the shape of the earth? What earth contains? I told the water, land, continents, and countries of the world. So already I told land we may live, and water we may drink. World countries, the different countries are there. Already I told. And also other day I explained you about the shape of the earth with some examples, some proofs. That means already I told you the difference between map and the globe. This is called globe. Yes, globe is the model of the earth I told yesterday. Now I can explain you what are the important information about this. Listen, the earth have oceans and continents. Earth have oceans and continents. Now I can tell you about oceans. Yes. What do you know about ocean? Yes, listen, on the earth, the water occupies more land. That means, first I can tell you what is called ocean. Ocean means the large bodies of water. The oceans may endless. Oceans may endless. It is no end. Nobody can measure the oceans. Yes, that means large bodies of water is known as oceans. And also seas also there. Yes, of course nowadays we are travel from one place to another place by motorcycles, by cars, by trains and by aeroplanes. In the beginning there is no this technology. The people may travel on the seas only, seas and oceans. Already I told you the Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama. Do you know Vasco da Gama? He was a Portuguese traveler. Vasco da Gama and 1498 he was a Portuguese traveler. Portugal or Portuguese, both are correct. He was a Portugal traveler, reached India, in the year 1498. He was the first European. Vasco da Gama, he was the first European, came to India. He reached Calicut, present day Kerala. He reached Calicut for trade and business purpose. That means at this time, in the 15th century, while he traveled, Vasco da Gama or Christopher Columbus or Amerigo Vespucci, some other explorers, they never use any aeroplane or cars. They travel on the seas and oceans only. They identified different places on the earth, different continents. Okay? Understand what I told oceans. Do you know what is the difference between ocean and seas? Best example, I can tell you. This is our India. This is our India. This is East Bay of Bengal. It is a sea. The west Arabian Sea. This is a South Indian Ocean. Listen, these are waters. This is called a peninsula. Our India is called peninsula. Why? Peninsula means the landmass which is surrounded by water on three sides is called as peninsula. That means India is surrounded by water on three sides. This is the east by Bay of Bengal, west Arabian Sea, and south it is the north, it is Himalayas. Himalayas are there. Okay, do you know what is the difference between ocean and sea? Yes, the same water, the same taste, everything is the same, but here we call Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, it is called sea. That means depth of the water, depend upon depth of the water is called a sea. Depth of the waters we called oceans and sea. Oceans are more depth than sea waters. Because of that, this is a Bay of Bengal, this is Arabian Sea, this is Indian Ocean. Do you know what is the difference between oceans and seas? Seas are shallow depth and the oceans are more depth. Understand? Yes. How many oceans in the world? How many oceans in the world? Do you know? There are 5 oceans are there. There are 5 oceans are there. That is the Pacific Ocean, second one Atlantic Ocean, and third one Indian Ocean, fourth one Antarctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, fifth one Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Once again, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. You don't sit idle, you take your notebook and note down these things. It can help you in your future and the general questions. It may help you in any competitive examinations or quiz competitions. These can help you. So, very carefully note down all these things. Listen, there are only 5 oceans are there. Of course, generally we have to say the 5 oceans, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Listen. What do you understand? Listen. Actually, the water is available only 3 oceans. That is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Only in these 3 oceans have water. Remaining no water is there. It is frozen. That means next class I can tell you about what is, listen, Yes, this is the North Pole, 90 degrees North Pole. This is called as Arctic Circle or Arctic Ocean. This is the 90 degrees south, South Pole. This is Antarctic. This is frozen. That means both Arctic Circle or Arctic Ocean and also Antarctic Ocean, these two we may count as the oceans. Actually, no what is there. It is covered with ice. These two are called as the polar regions. This is the South Polar region. This is the North Polar region. So, actually, only three oceans. Only three oceans because water is available. That is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Yes, Indian Ocean already I told on the map. Do you know on the earth how much water was occupied? Do you know? Yes, water occupies 71%, land occupies only 29%. Do you know? Look, water occupies 71%, land occupies 29% only, 100%. Understand or not? Look, among these five oceans, which one is the biggest ocean? Which one is the smallest ocean? Listen, Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world and also the deepest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world and also deepest ocean in the world. Largest and deepest. Understand? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world and more than 10,000 meters of depth. The Pacific Ocean is more than 10,000 meters of depth. So, it is the largest ocean and deepest ocean in the world. The second biggest ocean is called Atlantic Ocean. Third, Indian Ocean. Third, Indian Ocean. Understand? How many oceans are there in the world? Only 5 oceans. That is Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic and Arctic. This is the smallest ocean. Actually, here there is no water, it is ice, frozen. Okay. Okay. It is called as a information about oceans are there. Understand? This is next one. I can tell you about the continents. I can tell you about the continents. What I learned so far, ocean, and that means yet on the earth, the oceans are there and continents are there. I can tell you now already oceans, it is very important in our daily life. The oceans are also play important role. Oceans are given number of uses are there, number of uses, giving a fish for us, giving salt for us, it helps us to travel, see to the different parts of the world. It is a seaborne trade in the exports, imports and through the ports. So, of course, a number of uses with the oceans are there. Now, I can tell you about continents. Understand? the 5 oceans and the 7 continents. 5 oceans are 5, continents are 7. Continents. Continents. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. How many continents in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. What do you know names? Of course, in your lower classes, your social teacher definitely explained continents. Do you know? Can you say? Yes, we must learn in order. We must write in a chronological order. Otherwise, you have to learn. Otherwise, you have to write. There are 7 continents in the world. What are the 7 continents? I can write. The first one is Asia. Second one is Africa. Third one is North America. And fourth one is South America. Fifth one is Antarctica. And sixth one, Europe. Seventh one, Australia. Look, there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Yes, before going to learn about these continents, what is called continent? Already I told you what are called oceans. Like that, what are called continents? Yes, continent mean the large bodies of land mass surrounded by the water or separated by the water. You say like that. Understand? Large bodies of land mass which is surrounded by water or separated by water is called as continent. Big land mass or a large land mass. Understand? That is called a continent. Once again, how large bodies of water is called as oceans, like that. The large bodies of land mass which is separated by waters is called as continents. The same time islands also there. What is islands? Islands means small land mass which is surrounded water on 4 sides is called as island. Understand or not? Large bodies of land mass is called as a continents. Listen, in these 7 continents, we learn something. Which is the biggest continent in the world in area? Which is the biggest? Already you learnt in your 5th class about these continents and oceans, how Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, like that Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Asia is the biggest continent in the world, whereas Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Understand? It is the smallest continent in the world. How do you understand? Once again, Asia, Africa, note down all these 7 continents. Here also one simple thing. Actually, there are 6 continents. It has a land. Yes. Antarctica, ice. No land is there. It is called ice continent. It can help you. Listen, among these biggest continent, Asia, Africa second biggest. Here desert is there. Desert, that is called do you know what is the desert here? Sahara Desert. Desert. North America is the third largest continent. South America, fourth, and fifth one Antarctica. It is ice only. Actually, here there is no land. Land is not available. It may not be favorable to human inhabitants. Antarctica, because of no land mass is there, 98% of continent only ice. There is no land mass is there. Human inhabitants not favorable conditions are there. Only some animals are live in this ice continent. This is called ice continent. Ice continent. It is covered with ice only. Okay, this is Antarctica. It is also called as ice continent. Do you know in the oceans are also, I told Antarctica is one of the ocean. It is accumulate of ice. There is also water is not available. Understand? Okay. Only in these 6 continents land is available. Human. Yes. Do you know our India is belongs to which continent? Our India belongs to which continent? Yes. Our India is belongs to Asia. That means India is belongs to Asian continent, India and China, Pakistan and some other countries, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, all these countries, already I told, the countries of the world in the beginning I told, all these countries are belongs to Asia. Africa, South Africa and South Africa, Botswana, Somalia, etc. belongs to this. North America, Mexico, all this belongs to North America. Brazil belongs to Brazil, Argentina belongs to Antarctica, Europe, England, France, Spain, Italy, etc. comes under this. So these are the important information about continents. Understand? Okay, that means already I told you about the two important continents. Yes. Now, is there any doubt? You note down all these important points, oceans and continents, the 5 oceans and 7 continents. Actually, only 3 oceans are what available. Look, I can show this map simply. Yes, listen. On the map or globe, listen, on the map or globe, you observe this is the world map. The world map shows you the different colors. Which color occupied more place on the map? This is the rectangular shape, flat shape is only. Listen, already I told you yesterday class, 5 oceans are there, I told. Listen, this is the Pacific Ocean, this is the Atlantic Ocean, this is Indian Ocean, this is the Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is also called as a Southern Ocean. Understand? Once again, this is the Arctic Ocean. Look, here most of the map was occupied, like globe also. The globe is also occupied more. Generally, on the map on the globe, yes, the water shows with the blue color, or water identified with the blue shade. Yes, on the earth, all the blue shades indicate the water. Maybe a oceans, maybe a seas, maybe a rivers, maybe a canals, maybe a tanks, and whatever it may be. So these are the important. Among these, the Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean and also largest ocean. Do you know which is the highest peak in the world? Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. If you bring the Mount Everest and keep into the Pacific Ocean, automatically the Mount Everest was drowned. This is the second important and biggest ocean. Listen, the Pacific Ocean separates North America, South America and Asia. Atlantic Ocean separates North America, South America, Africa. Listen, continents I want to be explained. Listen, this is shade. Because of that only I told water occupies 71%, land only 29% I told. So this is blue shade occupies only water. Listen, once again, this Antarctic Ocean is also called Southern Ocean. Once again, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean is there. Now I can tell continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent, whereas Asia is the biggest continent. Our India belongs to Asian continent only. Understand? This is the blue shade. Yes. Any doubt about this topic? Oceans and continents, the shape of the earth. Now, tomorrow I can explain you another important topic, Earth and its latitudes and longitudes, how it helps us, the human beings. I can explain tomorrow.